What I like about this Rangehood is a few different things. First of all, it's now on and you can't hear it, so that's my first thing that I really like about it. It's stylish, it really blends in with the design, you can't really see it being there, and that's what you want from a Rangehood. You don't want it to be intrusive. It works very well, it does the job with the teppanyaki cooking, or when I'm cooking pasta. I'm Italian, so I cook a lot of pasta, make a lot of steam, and all of that goes away. No smell stays in the house, not steam, even in winter. So that's very important for me, and that's what I really like about this ceiling cassette. The installation process was pretty straightforward. The ducting and all of the parts that are required came with the Rangehood, which was very good. The steel flex ducting makes it fireproof and pest-proof, which is an added safety feature. And the motor at the end of the ducting also keeps the Rangehood silent and quiet, which is what you need from a Rangehood.